How are we doing, everyone? We are back with another airdrop farming video. This is going to be for my Solana wallet and for my SUI wallet. I'm going to be using 6 different protocols today, 3 for each. The first 3 I'm going to be using are for my SUI wallet, and they are going to be my.patera. I'll have links for all these down in the description below. The second one is going to be app.mmt.finance, also known as Momentum. The third one for SUI is going to be magmafinance.io. And now for my Solana protocols, I'm going to be using cabana.exchange. If you've already seen some of my videos prior, you'll know that I enjoy this one very much. Very, very much. The second one is going to be app.ranger.finance. And then the third one for Solana is going to be app.titan.exchange. Again, links for all these will be down in the description below if you want to start using these to start, farming either Solana and or SUI for, some potential airdrops. There is no guarantee at all that you will get an airdrop. These are all potential. You got to do your rain dance, you got to do your rain dances. I'm going to be doing my SUI wallets first. I only got $30 in this one, not that much, but it is enough to get the job done. So I'm just going to swap some SUI to USDC. I'm going to swap about $27. Usually the more volume you do, the better. Majority of the protocols will go based off of volume. Some of them don't. They'll actually just go off of transactions. Like for this one is just, daily visits plus 1 point, interactions plus 2 points. Then you go up, you got seasons here. So that's one transaction done on this here. We gained a few points. I'm going to move on over to Momentum now. And with that USDC, I'm actually going to swap that over to SUI USDT. I'm going to swap the maximum amount. I'm losing just over 2 cents here. Whoop-de-fucking-do. Doesn't matter. Also paying a little bit of a transaction fee. Does not matter. Transaction successful. If I click on the leaderboards here, so I'm only ranked 84,000th and 9th, which is pretty high up there, but it is what it is. I've done $3,000 in volume, and I usually do about $30 a trade. So that's about 100 trades right there. That's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. But now I'm going to come on over to Magma Finance, and I'm going to swap that SUI USDT back to SUI. Confirm. We'll trade it back. We swapped 8. We're getting back 7.99 because, there's been a little bit of a price fluctuation, since we've actually been doing the transactions. But on this one, for the leaderboards, it is points. So you get swap points and referral points. But that is it for my SUI wallet. And just for those 3 transactions, it took me probably a few minutes just because I was also explaining along the way. But you can literally do 1 minute per protocol, not even, depending how fast the actual loading time is. So I'm just going to close these down. And now we're moving on to our Solana wallet. I recently topped up my 3 wallets. So I used to only have I think it was $40 in there. These now have about $66 in Solana. I also have $10 in this that I have staked that I'm going to unstake later this month. So I'm going to get my extra $10 back. So we're going to be trading with about, $66 of Solana today. This leaderboard, I love this one. This one's based off volume, all based off volume. I've done 164 trades on here, almost $4,000 volume. And we're going to add about $60 of volume now. So I'm going to do about, 0.27 to USDC. Yeah, about $60. Now we want to look for a low fee. This is the fee that we want to look for. Network fee like that. That's what we're going to look for. That's what we want. That's what we need. You'll be able to do a lot more trades because, you're going to be paying a low fee. That's how you do it. After this one's been completed, I'm going to move on over to app.ranger.finance. And now I'm going to swap this USDC to USDT. I'm going to do the max. You can see here I'm losing about 4 cents. Doesn't matter. I don't give a shit. Estimated fees at the bottom there. So it's about 3 cents. This I'm okay with. It's about 11 times higher than the prior fee, but even then, it's literally like 3 cents. I don't care. Order filled. Take a look at this leaderboard. This one is based off points, but it also depends for your spot trading volume and your perpetual futures trading volume, and also off of your referrals. My total volume traded is just over $2,000. Okay, so now on to the next one for Solana. The last protocol. We're going to swap that USDT back to Solana. Another $60 swap. That's how we do it. That is how we do it, boy. Same amount that we swapped. Let's see if we can get this correct amount. Super low fee? Super low fee. That's what we wanted. We swapped that amount, and that's the amount that we're getting back. And we paid, 4 cents in fees, maybe? I love that. That's amazing. The leaderboards on this one as well. I just started using this, so I got low volume. Only got $600 or so. My rank is, 22,169th. Not bad. That one's not bad. So, if you want to start farming these for potential airdrops, they have these leaderboards for a reason. It's for potential airdrops. So, if you want to start farming it, you can. I'll have the links for all these down in the description below. Obviously, there's more, other protocols you can use to get more potential airdrops, but these are just the ones that I kind of use on a daily basis. I don't use the same volume amount every time. I don't use the same cryptocurrencies every time. I'll change it up, swap it up. So, it doesn't look like a robot is just, continuously doing repeat patterns. You don't want that. But either way, start making the money, start farming, start getting those airdrops, and have a good one, guys. See you soon.